This is the 64 collector. Hello to all my viewers and subscribers. Today we are here in one of my corners of my flat where I display most of my collections. Um, the same models, the diecast models that I'm presenting to you. Actually, maybe some of them I haven't able to present to you. Actually, there are a lot more here in the front and in the back that's still box that I have been able to open and review. But today we have this from MASDI. This is the uh, Scania 8-axle tractor head and this 8-axle Lowbed transporter. We don't have one but two. Yes, I also got the civilian version, so we'll both unbox them today. Okay, let's head to the presentation table and start. Okay, so now we're here. So this is the Scania correction. This is not an 8-axle. Actually, it's a 4-axle. How many wheels? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 wheeler. 12 wheeler tractor head. Yes. Okay, so now let's open it. What I like about MASDI is the way they put the packaging of their models. It's really protected from the bumps during transport. So you can see here, yes. So we have the Scania. What model this? The R650. Yes. When it regards to Scania, I'm not that well versed. Because they all, for me, since it's a cab over engine, for me they all look the same. The only difference might be in the engine or the way it was, the chassis configuration, something like that, but they all look the same. Unlike American trucks, you can differentiate, like for example, Peterbilt, you can differentiate what is the 359, the 379, 352, and so on. Okay, so here we go. So it's well detailed, of course. This is you get more value for money for this model. But no, I think this one, yeah, this one is not opening, but yeah, anyway, I'll make a close-up. You can see. So of course this is a military model. There are no bright parts installed in this for camouflage. So detailing is excellent. You can see the grill, textured grill. They are done in black wash. Separate headlight pieces. Also side mirrors are separate parts. Antenna, communication antennas. There's even amber lights. Okay, of course it is rolling rubber wheels. You can see it is so how many drive wheels are there? Oh, I can see there's a live axle in the front. So this is how many? Okay, so the front wheels also drive it. Yeah, I think this is an all-terrain transporter. You can see the, the cabinets. Storages are here. There's the fuel tank is there. I don't know if this is the fuel tank, but there's also something here. Okay, so this is a very nice model and a nice addition. If you are a serious collector of truck and trailers, this would be a nice addition. This is a sealed cabin, meaning the glazing on the side and the front. Unlike in diecast promotion, these are open, so if you display them out in the open without in the glass cabinet, dust will settle inside. So this is a good one because it's a sealed cabin. I appreciate that. This is a full diecast cabin. Is full diecast. I think this one is just plastic. But anyway, it's a good model. Let's head over to the keep it here. And let's go to the trailer itself. Yes. Okay, so it's called the Panther. Right, so there's some technical. Wait, I'll zoom it out so you can see better. Yes. So there are some technical specification, but they are in Chinese characters or Chinese calligraphy. Okay, so let's see. So these are called outriggers. These are some accessories. Packaging is really snug, so there's no chance of moving during transport. Yeah, I got to be careful. I might break something. Wow, this is solid, solid die-cast metal. I love it. Look at that. Look at that functionality. Wow. And it even has this working hydraulics for loading. And of course we'll get down to the underside, so you can see how many wheels it is, how many axles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 axles times 2. How many is that? 4. So 8 16, so 32 wheels. 8 axle, 32 wheeler. Yes. Okay, get it down and hook it to the trailer head. Let's see the, oh, you can see that. think this is stainless. This is bare metal. This is metal. This is press fit metal. Okay, so we'll hook it. That's how you hook it. Okay, so it's locked into place. We'll zoom it out. Okay, of course it is rolling very nice. The rubber moldings are perfect. Now we'll head to the accessories. Yeah, it's called usually this is attached to the sides of the trailer like this. Okay, we'll remove it first. This is how you do it. Yeah, like that. It's quite I have to be careful because this is it's a precision model. Okay. Okay, so that's how you do it. Ay, oh shit! I think I broke. It came off. Sorry about that. Anyway, we're gonna fix it. I think I'm too strong for this model. Okay, usually this one is belongs here. Yeah, but for some reason when I open it, it's broken. See, but we can fix this with super glue. Like that. Should be like this. You see that? Can you see it? Yeah. And this also this is how it looks. This is how it should look. So there's a spare tire there for the truck, for the tractor head, and two for the trailer itself. Yeah. Okay, actually this is a tank carrier, so we're gonna get the tank. Let's see, to complement. Okay, to complement the look, we have the tank there. So this one is also from MASDI. No, sorry, this is from X-Car Toys. Yeah, so this is a solid die cast, so it's heavy. I forgot already what's the name designation of this tank, but this is from X-Car Toys. The turret is only plastic, but it's a durable plastic. It's a nice, it's a nice, very nice model. Um, it comes at par with the, you know, this Corgi, what you call that? Desert, yeah, the desert. From the Desert Storm, they have that from Corgi. It's the only the only 64 scale model, military scale model. It only came from Corgi. Okay, so here how it should look. So the tank will climb. Actually, this one is rolling, huh? But of course it's not that smooth, but you can see that it is working. Unlike some tank models or tank toys, they usually have wheels beneath, but this one is not really working. The threads are not working, but this one is rolling, huh? So it's really working. Okay, so so this is how it should look. Transporting a tank. Okay, give it, yeah, see that? Nice, huh? Give it a closer look. So now the tank is loaded. We'll put this ramps up. Okay, and it's ready to go. What do you think, guys? The Scania R650 with a tank load. Okay, and thank you guys again for wait, I have one more. Yes, I promise you guys we're gonna open two, not one but two models. Okay, so wait a while. Okay, so now we have the blue civilian version of the Scania R650. So I already opened the box, so to save us more time in presentation. So you can see this is also a masterpiece of MASDI. So this is also die-cast metal. Okay. Look how the individual parts are put together, huh? So this is not molded as one, but individual pieces put together. Look at that meticulous detail. I don't know what is this, but I think this is it looks like a horn, but it is a towing hitch. Look at the tail lights, no? We put them side by side. Good thing I was able also to easily fix this one. This snap fit, and it pivots. This fifth wheel pivots. So you can see the difference. This one has a straight diamond plate mud flap. This one is the usual polypropylene in the 1:1 version. You can see it's a polypropylene plastic, black plastic. The same material used for car bumpers, that is polypropylene. So you know, because this is a military, bright works are, you know, it's not applicable for military purposes. For concealment, during transport. So you can see the difference in the detail. This one has a friendlier appearance, and you can see the tampo, no? This is the logo of Scania. I think this is a griffin, right? It's a it's a griffin. Griffin or Griffin, whatever. So this one is has this straight amber lights. This one is a small one only. Okay, so it also have this communication antennas. Okay, so let's go to the trailer itself. So this is also solid die-cast metal. So I put all the accessories and how it should look. When you look at it, it really looks detailed and fragile. It's not, because this is not made as a child's toy. So this is a adult collectible, adult model, adult die-cast model collection. It has more working features, more realistic features. This one also has this realistic looking working ramps with hydraulics. This is really unique because most of the die-cast promotion low boys never have this. Well, this is unique to European trucks. Okay, let's hitch it to the tractor head. You just have to be careful this time. Okay, so now it's hitched properly. Oops, no, not yet. It's quite tricky. Okay, now it's locked. We'll zoom it out. Okay, got this one here. Okay, so side by side. I even brought out my toy soldiers from American Diorama. There. This one easily comes off. Actually, I need to enlarge those holes there, the holes here, so that this freestanding accessories will fit snugly. Also, this what you call this, outriggers, I need to drill hole. I need to make the holes bigger so it fits thoroughly. It doesn't easily come off. See, we'll get some load for this. Wait, let's get some load. Okay, so I have this this one is modeled after the Caterpillar truck, This one is done by Amercom. So it is a detailed model also, although there are not most parts are die-cast, but at least it's one model that is closely related to the real one, because the one coming from Norscat is the detail, it's die-cast, but there's not much detail into it. So this is a full-size scraper, the one you see land development. So this one also, I don't think this is, I know this is rotating somewhat, but anyway, yeah, I just got it as a load. It's a good load representation, so we'll put it here. So you can see I put already the wheel chocks onto it. Okay, so that's how you do it. And we'll put up the ramp. So there you go, guys. What do you think? It's a very sharp model, of the Scania R650. Whoop. Very nice model of Scania R650. Okay, thank you for indulging with me, guys, and we'll be back for more unique models from the 64 collector. Bye.